Well, greetings and salutations. Let me tell you what this video is about. It's about putting a quill wheel or fitting a quill wheel to a bench mill. All right? If you look up on the screen, it says it better than I can. We manufacture and sell quill wheels. Today we're talking about a new part number MM2. What does MM mean? MM means mini mill, dash 2 means mini mill part number 2. All right? We're talking about a Precision Matthews model PM 727B. That's what this is about. Okay, I'm going to elaborate on the PM 727B. I got two views of the same model. The view to the left, the head tips, I believe, both directions. The head on the right is dead vertical, all right? This is Precision Matthews. It's a high-end bench mill. Very, very popular. Now I'm going to show you a prototype installation on that same mill, model PM727B, part number MM2. You see to the left there's a wheel on there. That was a prototype installation. Obviously, a prototype is not a production model. It seems to be working out good, but I'm going to elaborate and show you how we go about doing the engineering. All right, I got a CAD drawing up here. We'll scrutinize. Let me just go over it. If you see this, let me do this. See that? That's a bolt circle. All of these are in, that represents them. See them here? All right? It's above it. What this is exactly like that. It's not showing the knob and the screw and all of that. This shows the knob, the screw, the whole assembly with an M10 by 1.5 pitch fucking screw. All right? All right? Over here, well, I drew it up here in blue. It's the different colors are for different reasons. Obviously, mostly for visibility. What I'm showing here, let me make it a little smaller. This is an inspection fixture. It duplicates the machine. This is the cone side of it. This is exactly like the machine, the PM727. You see it? What I'm showing here is a shaft inside the cone being held in with a screw. You see it? On one side, I put the shafts and the keys on one side. On the other side, I put the cone over here. I'm going to start moving things around, and you'll be able to see, you know, what would the reason for this inspection fixture. When we're done with it, if this unit up here doesn't fit on there nicely, it doesn't go in a box or an inventory. It's trash. You understand? So, you know, this is like having a pair of micrometers. This checks a number of dimensions as to whether they fit or not. Let me do this. I'm gonna put this into the cone. All right? So you'll see how it goes together. All right? There we go, baby. Now the colors come in handy. You can see what's happening here. You see it? You got the shafts here and the key. There's clearance above it. See the clearance? Right? And there's clearance below it. You see it? And it shows how far the screw enters into the shaft to pull it all together. You see that? This piece down here holds it in. All right? You get my drift. Now let me separate them, all right? All right, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put, well, we got a drawing on this side. In other words, this is a two-piece affair. The ones on the right are the shafts. The one on the left is the female cone, all right? What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put both of these in this side just to show you the difference, all right? One key is facing to the left, the other way the key is looking right at you, okay? Hang on, I gotta do a little bit of cute stuff here. Let her rip, Smith. I put that, see, the one on the left looks just like the one on the right. I'm going to put the screw in there, all right? Okay, you can see. The screw pulls this down. Well, you can see the screw pulls that shaft and key down on there. Now it just slides in gently. All right? Now that two-piece affair is a one piece. You see it? Now I'm going to put the other one in. All right? It's this critter right here. Hang on. Ah, you dope. Hang on, I gotta go back. We call that a typo. Ho ho. See? The one on the right, the key faces to the left. The one dead center, the key's looking right at you. You can see the colors show you what's going on, you see? Let me put the screw in there, all right? Isn't this fun? This is the most fun I've had since the appendix operation. Here we go. Oh, you pain in the ass. All right. Now you can see that the screw pulls the shaft down. And again, the key's looking right at you. All right? All right. Now, let me do this. I'm going to, while I'm here, I'm going to put this compression spring in this counterbore. You say, well, what the hell is this in here? That's a counterbore for the spring, the compression spring. It's meaningless in this particular application, but I'm going to do it anyways. Utilities. Okay, let her rip. As you can see, the compression spring fits right in there. All right, I'm going to get rid of all this crap. Oh. Good. All right. I'm showing all the components that make up the female. All right? And like I say, this is the most vital piece of equipment that we're going to have is this inspection fixture. It's like taking this part up here and putting it on and trying it on the machine. I'm not going to buy a machine just to try it on. You understand? So we make this up. All right? Well, let me add something to it. If you're curious as to what Quill wheels, what kind of machines our Quill wheels fit, you go over here. It says quillwheel.com. Just Google that, and you'll see our website with all kinds of applications for knee mills, bed mills, mini mills, and all of the above. All right? I'd appreciate it if somebody would comment. I don't know if you guys dig this kind of stuff or not. All right? Like they say in Italy, hasta la pasta.